3-wire condenser fan motor for a condenser for a heating and air conditioning system. The question, how does one wire a 3-wire system? There are 3-wire, there are 4 wires, and there may be other types of systems that I'm not aware of, and if so, the gurus can add that to the comments. But the 3-wire system, it's not rocket science. We just count the wires, and we see when it comes out of the motor here, we have 1, 2, 3. So we have with a 3-wire system, we have 3 wires. So 1 wire, the brown wire, which is located here, would come over here, and it would come to your capacitor. And when it comes to your capacitor, one may, if you turn it up and see, you may see the word fan written there. So the brown wire goes to the fan motor. Okay, so it's, say if it's a 240 motor, whatever, 208, 220, 240, whatever, let's just divide the voltage in half. So then we have a common and another wire. So we've used the brown wire, we've gone here, attached the brown to the fan on the capacitor side. So then this leaves us a black and a yellow, and I'm not sure if I'm wrong or right here, but I think the black could be the common wire. I'm not certain on that, but the guys can add this to the comment section. But then these 2 wires go to pick up 120 and 120 from the contactor. So the contactor works off of low voltage, and then once the contact's pulled in electronically through low voltage, this 120, 120, anyway, you have high voltage on this side if the contactor is working properly. So we hook the common up to one side, we hook the run side up, so now there are 3 wires. Now here's one thing to keep in mind. If one looks at this contactor here and then looks towards the back, we have another wire connected. So let's just say this would be the common side, the run side. So we have a wire hooked up to the run side here, and then we come over here, and then this feeds the common on the capacitor. So now there could be a little confusion. Say you got a common here, but then you got a common on the capacitor. So don't let that confuse you. Just keep it simple. So let's reiterate here. 3-wire blower, condenser blower motor. The fan would be on it. It would look something like this, and it would blow up. We have a brown. The brown goes over to the fan terminal. I think that may be the start terminal for the condenser fan motor. Then say if we needed 240, this would be our, we'd have L1, L2, T1, T2, where we pick up the voltage from the contactor. So if we had a common on this side and a run on this side, say we hook the black here, this here, then we go and we have a couple extra prongs, so we just use one of those prongs and grab the run terminal and use it over here on the common side. But this common here is on the capacitor side. So I'm thinking this may, the guys can add this to the comments, the HVAC. I'm not sure if this is just to pull the voltage in to get the dual run capacitor kind of energized. The guys in the know can better than yours truly can actually elaborate on this. So again, we have, if we're hooking up this condenser fan motor for a 3-wire, we have 1 condenser fan motor, we have a contactor. Now these would be configured differently in the box, and we have a capacitor. So we have 1 wire, 2, 3. Brown goes to the fan terminal on the capacitor. Common wire goes to the common side on the contactor. The other one goes to the run side on the contactor. We have a jumper wire on the back from here to the common side of the capacitor. So, and this is how to wire a 3-wire condenser fan motor. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.